Hi, Matt Lopez, president of Sacramento Internet Marketing Agency. I want to talk to you about Facebook advertising. Just 4 or 5 years ago, nobody was doing it, or hardly anybody was doing it. Today, it has become one of the fastest growing, most popular ways to promote your product or your service. Basically, what Facebook has done is they've compiled the biggest list of target audiences on the planet. So when you sign up for Facebook, if you read the terms and conditions that nobody does, you're giving Facebook permission to scrape all of the data from your device. So if you're using Facebook on your phone, they're scraping every text, every email, every phone call, all of your data, not just what you post and tag and share on your Facebook page. It goes well beyond that, just like the app, the calculator app on your phone does, just like the flashlight app on your phone does. It's collecting data. It sells that data to companies like myself, which allows us to then put ads in front of those people that fit our target audience. So the reason or reasons that Facebook advertising becomes so popular is because it works so well. The cost is extremely inexpensive, but the targeting ability is off the charts. So let's just say that I am a divorce attorney, as an example. And I know that over 50% of all divorces, people usually get a U-Haul or a storage unit when they get separated, which is prior to getting a divorce attorney. So with Facebook advertising as a divorce attorney, I can actually tell Facebook, hey, put my divorce attorney ad in front of all males, females, or both between these ages that live in this geography, that are looking for a storage unit, just got a storage unit, or a U-Haul, or even a gym membership. You know, when a couple separates, one of the first things that they will do is go get a gym membership. They're back on the dating scene. They want to look good again, and so a divorce attorney is a common prerequisite. So in other words, somebody that buys a gym membership, typically they are going through a breakup or a divorce, and so you're able to target that. So when you look at the cost and then you look at how defined the target audience can be, Facebook is one of the best forms of advertising out there today. And if you look at Facebook stock, you'll see they're growing like leaps and bounds, and it's quite insane what's going on. One other reason that Facebook is working so well is a lot of advertising. We see it, we don't really read it, we don't really absorb that ad that we're seeing or hearing. But with Facebook advertising, when someone sees your ad, they're on Facebook. They're not that busy, or they wouldn't be on Facebook. They have some downtime in their personal lives. And so when you put an ad in front of somebody when they're not distracted, they don't have a lot going on at that particular moment, they're more receptive to soak in the message. And so it becomes a more effective advertising than, say, billboards, TV, radio, where it's hitting me while I'm multitasking or I'm busy. With Facebook, you're putting that ad in front of somebody at their leisure time when they're looking to be entertained. They just have a little bit of downtime, and so the timing of the message is perfect.